In this Adobe Photoshop tutorial, we would like to explain how to use a couple of images, a blur filter, and a simple brush to create a realistic text on wet window effect. Let's begin. In this tutorial, you need to use couple of image files. First is Rain Widescreen HD Wallpaper JPG, and other is Hummer H2 Night City Car Wallpaper JPG. Now, open the Adobe Photoshop. Here, I have used the Adobe Photoshop CC. You can use it, or another like Adobe Photoshop CS6. First, go to File, Open. From the dialog box, select and open the Rain Widescreen HD Wallpaper image in Photoshop. Now, go to Image, Adjustments, Hue Saturation. In the Hue Saturation panel, change the hue to 10, the saturation to 35, and click OK. Then, go to Image, Adjustments, Desaturate. Then, go to Image Size. Make sure that the proportions is applied. And type 600 in the width field at the top, and type 450 in the height field at the left, and click OK. You can type in any other value you like, depending on the size. Now, place the Hummer H2 Night City Car Wallpaper image on of the Rain Widescreen HD Wallpaper image from your computer location, and click Enter. Now, change the Hummer H2 Night City Car Wallpaper image layers blend mode to overlay, and its opacity to 80%. Then, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian, Blur. From the Gaussian Blur panel, the radius to 5.5, and click OK. Now, create a new layer on top of the both layers, and call it Text. Set the foreground color, and choose the black color, then click OK. Now, pick the brush tool, and choose the rough round bristle from Photoshop default brush. Now, go to Window, and select the brush. Then, uncheck the transfer box. Now, again, pick the brush tool. Then, change the brush size to a value of your choice, depending on how thick. Here, it is set to 30 pixel. Finally, create the text you like using the brush you picked. Now, press the keyboard starting third bracket to decrease the brush size as a small value around 8 pixel. Then, add some little dripping lines below the letters. Here, it is set to the brush size 7 pixels. Again, create a new layer on top of all layers. Now, select the new layer, and foreground color is white, then click OK. Then, change the layer's blend mode to soft light, and its opacity to 55%. And that's it, you have done to create wet sweaty window text effect. Now, you can save it as a Photoshop format. Also, you can export it as an image format.